Gold made its move after completing an M pattern, which I posted about in the Telegram group. It started to move to the upside because when M pattern completes, the market goes up. And after that, after reaching a certain level, now it is trying to consolidate and correct a little bit. And there have been few targets which were given by what and research. They were also met. So let's find out, what is going on at the moment and what kind of scenarios and what kind of levels are there in gold, which can be trading opportunities for us in the coming days and coming weeks. So stay tuned. Right. So what we're going to do is start here from monthly time frame. So what we have here is simply that the market is this is the current monthly time frame candle here, and what you can see is that we are reaching the end of this month. So this today and tomorrow is going to be very important because the market may try to complete this candle as a bullish candle. So there can be fake breakouts to the upside or downside. So you have to be extra careful. And the reason behind this is because this is the reason the market has been bullish. It has taken a little correction here. Now it can try to resume the previous momentum to the upside. So today is going to be very important, and that is why I'm doing this midweek update. I didn't get actually much chance to do an update for last couple of weeks. So I thought this will help in providing an update midweek. So make sure that you are watching the price section very closely today and tomorrow, because this is a leap year as well. So we have an extra day tomorrow on in the month of Feb. So this is what monthly looks like. Monthly can actually turn into a bullish candle. At the moment, it is looking like a bearish candle, but it can turn into a bullish candle as well, which means that price can push upwards. So make sure that you're watching that very closely. Then we have this weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, this is what I meant. The market started to go up from here. The market started to rise from this particular point, and the reason behind this was very simple. This is the M pattern that I gave you in the Telegram group. When the M pattern completes, the market goes up. It created a very nice, very good bullish move, and this was also given by what and research target. I'll show you that in a second. Now, after that, what has happened? The market reached a certain level, which was predefined. I'll show you that on a chart in a second. And then now the market is trying to consolidate on smaller time frame and also trying to correct a little bit. Right, it is falling down a little bit, but this move was very good because of the same pattern that we had. Now, after that, what we have here is the daily time frame. On daily time frame, this is what I showed you before. It's the same M pattern. This was the M pattern. Remember, we have been taking shorts all the way down from this level, and from here, all the way down to this level, right? And we were expecting market to fall down further into a weekly time frame target, but that did not happen. But the reason behind this is because we had this M pattern, and I was expecting that market may come down to this 200 moving average to complete the extended M pattern, but that's fine. And we found the bullish opportunity. We took the trade, and now it reached a certain level where it is trying to consolidate here, and it is also trying to correct a little. And let me show you the levels that we were talking about. So this is the Telegram group. You're most welcome to join here. This is Vikinsa FX. This is the only official one, and here is that on February 13th. This is the W pattern. This is the M pattern I was talking about. So on M pattern, the market completed right there, and it was expected to bounce up because the M pattern completed, right? And after that, it started to bounce as we were expecting. And when the market started to bounce, it reached these levels. Focus on these dotted lines, black dotted lines. These are the important levels that I gave approximately a month in advance, and market keeps on respecting them. Obviously, right, if you're trading a very small time frame such as 5 minutes or 15 minutes or whatever, then obviously these may not help you that much. But you can still trade around those lines because these lines are going to be very important, and these lines are coming from the techniques that we use in our FCP analysis and few other techniques that I use for other clients for primary from premium analysis. So this is what we had, and this is the current scenario. What is going on at the moment is this: if I switch this analysis on, the market jumped. If I go to a little smaller time frame, then it will be much easier for you to understand what's going on here. So this is where the M pattern was. M pattern, right? And because of the M pattern, the market started to go up, and we read one level at a time. So this was the first level here. Okay. Then the second level, you see how the market found a little resistance here, and then which later became support around the same line. And you should refer to previous analysis because these levels were there already. Now, once the market found a support here, it bounced to what? It bounced to the next level. It fell down. It came back up into that level once again, created a double top, and now it is falling down. Now, when it is falling down, what is happening here is that it is kind of trying to create an M pattern. And within this M pattern, we have a smaller M pattern. So let me show you that. This is how we conduct our FCP multi-time frame FCP analysis. So within this, what you can see is this. We have a possible M pattern which can push the price down into this or even lower than that, somewhere around here, right? But right now, why is it bouncing up at the moment is because we have to go to smaller time frame and see what is going on there. If I go to even smaller time frame, it has come very close to 200 moving average, right? And we have a potential formation of another M pattern, right? So whenever M pattern completes, the market goes up on any time frame. It works on all time frames and all markets. So we had this W pattern here, and I personally took a short from here because we had this W pattern all the way down to this. Now I have a little bit of short running, which is going to be like targeting somewhere around here. And I took a little scalp trade, which I posted about in the channel here in the What and Research channel. This is the one, right? Very nice, quick. So there was a divergence, and then we had these two buy signals. The market has been pushing up, and since then the market has been going up. So this was a very good signal here, right? So this is how we trade, and this is how these look at just monitor these WNM patterns and also focus on these important levels which I've already provided. And I will, if I have any further updates, I'll post them into Telegram channel, which you are most welcome to join. So I'll see you in the next one. Have a great trading. Thank you for watching. Find and follow us on these social media channels.